Debates Tech now. Hello friends, today I'm going to teach you how to share whiteboard in Zoom. First things first, you click on share screen and over there you click on whiteboard instead of desktop one. So here you click on share. So now we have our whiteboard. You can draw, you can erase. Did you know you can actually, while drawing, like I'll choose a shape, I'll draw this shape here, this shape there, and this shape there. You can spotlight, like a vanishing pen. Like I can actually do to the specific and it goes away. You can make an arrow to spotlight. You can spotlight it with a pointer and you can simply clear all my drawings, clear viewers drawings, clear my drawings, clear all drawings. You can save it as a PNG or PDF. You can select, and of course while doing step, like if I write my name Tibich and I want to put a stamp, correct, like that you can do. And while like if you turn on annotate from the meeting options, your students can write like you write 5 plus 5 equals to question mark. Then the students write their answer here. Then and then you use the stamp of tick. Ta-da! And if the students like 5 plus 5 is equal to question mark, you do that again. The students write 9. And then you can use the stamp of cross. Or why instead of writing a question mark, instead of writing a question mark, write 5 plus 5 equals to. Instead of writing a question mark here, you can just simply go and stamp and use the question mark stamp so that you get a clear look. So thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and comment and hit that subscribe button if you want more tips on technology. Bye bye guys.